Is your chimney showing signs of damage? At Keystone Roofing and Construction, we provide expert chimney repair services to keep your home safe and efficient. Chimneys are vital for the proper ventilation of your home, but they can face various issues, including crumbling mortar, faulty flashing, and water leaks. Our skilled team specializes in identifying and addressing these problems to ensure your chimney functions correctly. We use high-quality materials and proven techniques to restore your chimney's structural integrity and prevent further damage. Our services include comprehensive inspections, mortar repairs, flashing replacement, and waterproofing solutions. With our 20-year unlimited guarantee and 10-year home security promise, you can trust that your chimney repairs are built to last. We prioritize safety and efficiency, ensuring that your home remains protected from potential hazards. Don't wait until a small issue becomes a major problem. Contact Keystone Roofing and Construction today for a free quote on chimney repairs, and let us help you maintain the safety and efficiency of your home.